Yes, Prathamesh.
Yes, sir.
Your name Pawar Prathamesh.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Introduce please.
Sir, as you know, my name is Prathamesh Umesh Pawar. I am from Satara district of Maharashtra state. I have done my graduation in 2016 in mechanical engineering from Modern Education Society's College of Engineering, Pune. And from 2016, I am been pursuing for civil services, state services, and CAPF examinations.
You belong to Satara district of Maharashtra.
Yes, sir.
Famous Satara district.
Sir, Satara is first of all, it's historically famous for as it was a fourth seat of Maratha Empire, and then it was also participated in Quit India movement. One of the three parallel governments was formed in Satara. Economic importance is that, sir, Koina Dam, which is the lifeline of Maharashtra, and also Chalkewadi wind project, which is the highest energy project, wind energy generation project.
You also belong to Solapur is the motherland.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Solapur, you. Who is famous of Solapur?
Sir, Solapur is basically famous for religious shrine like Pandharpur, Tulzapur.
Pandharpur.
Yes.
Pandharpur is famous.
Sir, Lord Vithoba temple.
Historical view of historical Pandharpur.
Sir, what, sir?
Historical view of Pandharpur.
Sir, it's basically a temple of Lord Vithala, so which is devoted by for Bhakti movement, which was started at the time of Bhakti movement.
You belong to Pandharpur Shivaji?
Ma'am, means I am unable to understand.
Who is Shivaji?
Sir, he was the great king of Maratha Empire who established the Maratha Empire in Maharashtra.
Your hobby is the fort tagging.
Yes, sir.
Interesting hobby.
Yes.
One famous fort in Maharashtra you are tracking.
Sir, Raigad was the first famous fort which I have trekked.
Describe him.
Sir, Raigad was the second capital of Maratha Empire. It is basically, it has a very strategic location as it is surrounded by all various forts like Purandar, Torna, Rajgarh, Siahgarh. So it is impregnable. It was said to be impregnable fort.
Raigad fort, the building?
Sorry, sir, I am unable to recollect it. But it was built by Hiroji Indolkar.
Okay. Sir?
Pawar Prathamesh Umesh.
Yes, sir.
It's your name is Prathamesh.
Yes, sir.
What does it mean?
Sir, it's the name of Lord Ganesh. So basically, he who is worshipped first is called as Prathamesh.
So what kind of qualities you have of the Lord Ganesha?
Sir, Lord Ganesh was one of the deities of brain. Means he who has a good intelligence, so he is carried as Lord Ganesh. I think I have also good intelligence.
You also have good intelligence.
Yes, sir.
How you can prove like that?
Sir, I think by my academics.
Academics. Suppose you are appointed as an assistant commandant
Yes, sir.
at any of the airport, and suddenly an accident occurs there. What would be your course of action? Please tell me in 5 steps.
Sir, it depends on the action. First of all, we will see that there is no fire takes place, and so an emergency. So, sir, first of all, emergency response teams will be already in place in quick time. Then we will see that casualties are less. So those who have been wounded, rescue operations will be carried on immediately, and at the same time precautions will be taken that the fire does not escalate and it gets reduced. And another one for these are the some short term measures, and for long term measures we can see that what due to what reasons the incident happened, and what measures can be taken to prevent such incidents further. So proper action can be taken against.
So in how many steps you have explained?
So 3 to 4 steps.
And what I have told?
Sir?
In how many steps I have told to take the course of action?
Sorry, sir, I was unable to understand.
Okay. What is LWE?
Sir, left wing extremism.
What is it?
Sir, basically, left-wing extremism is resorting to extremist ideas. Means they believe that to resort to violence in order to destabilize the state is the prime ideology. So it is also called as Naxalism.
Okay. Can you tell me briefly how the LWE started with a movement and later what is its present form?
Sir, it
The
started.
organizational development of LWE.
Yes, sir. It started basically from Naxalbari village, in Naxalbari village, and then, sir, it grows. It has its roots in basically in the development. Means lack of development leads to its expansion. Sir, it is basically in the red corridor. Their vision was to start from Pashupati to Tirupati, but sir, so these have been developed in across 11 states, in around 130 districts, but their current status according to Minister of Home Affairs report is that it has been reduced around to 90 states, but 90 districts, but there are some 30 districts which has been more of affected in these areas, and there are various strategies taken by the government, so it has led to reduction
Is
in
the
this.
Maharashtra is also facing this problem?
Yes, sir. In Maharashtra, there are 2 districts which face this problem.
Which one?
Sir, Gadchiroli and Gondia.
Gadchiroli and Gondia.
Yes, sir.
What kind of measure has been taken by the state government and the central government to combat with this problem?
Sir, basically, state government has taken some measures like the C60 commandos has been established to tackle these Naxalist threats, and along with that, there are some surrender and rehabilitation policies. Sir, by central government has also taken some measures like Samadhan doctrine and modernization of police forces scheme to comprehensively deal to and tackle the problem of Naxalism.
Okay. What is urban Naxalism?
Sir, basically, it can be seen as a spread of Naxalism in urban areas where, sir, where urban thinkers, writers, they are supporting this movement.
Can you tell me some people who are involved in this kind of incident?
Sir, according to my knowledge, sir, it's just a strategy or it's just a theory, and there are no such, there can be no such evidences to support this urban
Then
Naxalism.
why you have been making the noise all over the country and in other countries also?
Sorry, sir, I don't have enough knowledge about that, so I can't comment upon it.
Okay. What is National Disaster Management Act? Can you tell me some specific provisions of that?
Sir, this National Disaster Management Act has been passed to curb the disaster or to bring proper response to disaster management. Sir, specifically it set up the Disaster Management Council. So it has specifically 3 bodies, 3-tier government, 3-tier rule it is there, we can say, means National Disaster Council at the behest of Prime Minister, which is headed by Prime Minister. Then state disaster management authorities are there, and also local district disaster management authorities are there. So it has a 3-tier framework, and then
Village Disaster Management Authority we have or we don't have?
sorry sir, I don't have enough knowledge about, but according to my knowledge it is not there, sir.
प्रथमेश आपने सर ने एक क्वेश्चन किया था, तो आपने एक वर्ड यूज किया था भक्ति मूवमेंट.
Yes, sir.
क्या था बेसिकली?
Sir, Bhakti movement was basically a duty-based approach or duty-based devotion towards life. Means there was no specific pujas or rituals which we are needed to be close to the God. We can be close to the God during our daily worship, during our daily duties, and while doing these duties, there is no need to perform extra rituals. So it was basically connect to God, mind to mind connect to God.
महाराष्ट्र के कौन कौन से लीडर इसमें मतलब स्टार्टिंग में अपना रोल बहुत अच्छे से प्ले किए थे?
सर, संत ज्ञानेश्वर, संत तुकाराम, संत एकनाथ, संत नामदेव, these were the prominent leaders in the Bhakti movement.
आपने एक सर ने एक क्वेश्चन किया था, तो वेंड प्रोजेक्ट बताया था कहीं, विंड प्रोजेक्ट,
yes sir.
ये अभी न्यूज़ में था, क्यों न्यूज़ में था?
Sorry sir, I am unable to recall it.
ब्लू फ्लैग प्रोजेक्ट नाम सुना है आपने?
Sir, blue flag,
हाँ.
sir, it's
बीच प्रोजेक्ट,
हाँ, yes sir, regarding certification of beach process.
नहीं पता?
Sorry, इतना ही पता है सर सिर्फ.
अच्छा अच्छा, जीडीपी और जीएनपी में बेसिक डिफरेंस क्या है?
Sir, gross domestic product and gross national product it is called. Sir, gross domestic product means value of production within the borders of our country, and sir, gross national product is value produced by our nationals. Means GDP can be produced by foreign companies, but within the domestic borders of our country. So GNP is can be outside, but by our Indian nationals. Basically, that difference is there. Sir.
आपने 2 दिन पहले की न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ी होगी,
Yes sir.
प्रधानमंत्री महोदय ने एक वर्ड यूज किया है, लोकल एंड वोकल।
Yes sir.
दोनों में डिफरेंस क्या है और दोनों में सिमिलरिटी क्या है?
Sir, means it was regarding Atmanirbhar Bharat to be local or to be vocal for local products. Means we have to improve our, or we have to give sir, I can't remember the word, preferences to our local products, so that we can promote our domestic manufacturing and also domestic industries.
डोमेस्टिक इंडस्ट्री को बढ़ावा देने के लिए पिछले 6 मंथ में भारत सरकार ने ऐसे क्या क्या न्यू इनिशिएटिव लिए, कुछ बता पाएंगे आप?
सर बेसिकली आत्मनिर्भर भारत पैकेज लाया था, आत्मनिर्भर भारत स्कीम. सो इट वाज बेसिकली नीड फॉर सेल्फ रिलायंट इंडिया. सो इट बेसिकली वाज अ 20 lakh crore package scheme which contributes around 10% of GDP. So it focused on 5 pillars like economy, then technological systems, demography, diversity, and it focused on laws, labor laws, liquidity, in order to promote the domestic industry. So sir, under this various measures have been taken, like collateral free loans for MSMEs, then defense offset policy or acquisition policy has been there, which have mandated the domestic sourcing, or there are some products which are reserved for local industries. So sir, these are some measures which have been taken to promote the domestic industry.
पिछले 2 महीना पहले भारत सरकार ने न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी अनाउंसमेंट की,
Yes sir.
है ना?
Yes sir.
क्या समझते हैं इस पॉलिसी से, मतलब क्या क्या चेंज होगा इंडिया लेवल पे, और आपके विशेषकर कहना चाहिए ट्राइबल एरिया में एजुकेशन से रिलेटेड कौन कौन सी बेसिक प्रॉब्लम है?
Sir, basically sir, this new education policy has brought a change in holistic education, which was been in India. Sir, first of all, it has promoted preschool education. Then sir, it has been focused more on vocational education and also more on practical education. Sir, people are free to choose the courses. Means flexible entry and exit policy is there on graduation levels. So that we are more focused on vocational and more employability in education. So this can sir help in tribal belt also, as we can focus on preschool education, we can focus on midday meal schemes, and we can enhance the nutrition in these areas. And sir, we can also improve employability in this skill, so that their job opportunities are more in these tribal areas, and they can be more employable.
आप डिफेंस में क्यों जाना चाहते हैं?
Sir, basically this Central Armed Police Forces is more of a versatile job and versatile service, which tackles new and diverse challenges. Sir, it will help me to maintain fit, adventurous and active life, and it gives us opportunity to explore new areas and also learn new skills over a different period of time. Sir, like Krav Maga technique, Parker technique.
भारत और इंडिया 2 वर्ड है, दोनों में डिफरेंस क्या है?
Sir, basically I can't tell anything, but sir, Bharat is a name which was by ancient generations, but India was name given by British.
सर ने एक क्वेश्चन किया था, राइट विंग लेफ्ट विंग एक्सट्रीमिस्ट, ठीक है, तो राइट विंग एक्सट्रीमिस्ट क्या है?
Sir, basically those who resort to extremist views can be said as extremist. So there are two categories like left wing and right wing extremism. Sir, so left wing extremism, sir, these can be said as basically a revivalist, and right wing extremism can be said basically conservatist.
दूसरा क्वेश्चन सबने किया था रेड कॉरिडोर से रिलेटेड।
Yes, sir.
महाराष्ट्र के कौन कौन से डिस्ट्रिक्ट रेड कॉरिडोर से रिलेटेड है, मतलब जो बहुत ज्यादा अफेक्टेड एरिया है?
Sir, two districts like Gadchiroli and Gondia, these are two districts affected by Naxalism, sir.
नक्सल जो कनाची चल रहा है, तो इसको कम करने के लिए अभी महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट ने कुछ इनिशिएटिव लिए, कुछ बता पाएंगे?
सर अभी पता नहीं है मुझे रिसेंटली, बट सर देर आर लाइक 360 कमांडोज आर देर टू डील विथ नक्सलिज्म, एंड ऑल्सो सर देर आर मेनी सरेंडर एंड रिहेबिलिटेशन पॉलिसीज, एंड सर रिसेंटली समृद्धि कॉरिडोर हैज बीन डेवलप्ड फॉर डेवलपमेंट ऑफ रिलेटिवली बैकवर्ड रीजन्स लाइक विदर्भ एंड मराठवाड़ा, विच इज will help to tackle migration and also to develop the region.
उस एरिया में मान लो अगर आपकी पोस्टिंग होती है,
Yes sir.
तो जो अफेक्टेड एरिया है उस क्षेत्र को मतलब उस प्रभाव से कम करने के लिए आप ऐसा क्या मतलब करेंगे कुछ?
Sir, development is the only option available for this. Sir, so I think basically as per my authority, we can do the civic action programs on the grounds of like sir, there was an example like Adilabad model of Telangana. Sir, Adilabad model of Telangana. Sir, where massive civic action programs were taken to build the confidence between people and the civic authority, so that the people are on our side and their support to Naxalism declines.
One question, difference between LOC and LSC.
Sir,
Basic difference. Yes.
sir, it's a line of control. LOC, it's between India and Pakistan occupied Kashmir, and sir, a line of actual control which is between sir India and Aksai Chin.
Difference between Vidarbha and Marathwada region in Maharashtra.
Sir, basically Vidarbha consists of sir 11 districts, and Marathwada consists of around 8 to 10 districts, and sir it's in the part of eastern part of Maharashtra situated Vidarbha, and sir in southeastern part Marathwada is situated.
India and China के बारे में जानते ही हैं।
Yes sir.
फिलहाल जो हुआ था
Yes sir.
उसके बारे में कुछ बताइए कि भारत चाइना के बीच कभी एक न्यूज में आया था कि
Sir, there were border escalations with India and China due to some border disputes, sir. But these border tensions have been agreed by both countries that to de-escalate these border tensions and to take this issue forward through dialogue and negotiations.
ओके सर।
Suppose, Mr. Prathamesh, suppose you have to go on operation,
Yes, sir.
but the members are those who are your teammates are not accepting your leadership, and some of them are saying that you are the newest one, you don't have the experience, and they are feeling under deprived, demotivated under your leadership. How will you motivate to those people?
Sir, first of all, there can be various reasons for their demotivation. I think that personal experience doesn't matter for leadership. So, sir, I will try to motivate them. I will try to know the reasons behind their behind their nervousness or behind their demotivation. What are there? Then, sir, I will take some holistic measures like sir, proper grievance redressal system. I will try to build connect with them so that they feel motivated under my leadership. And there can be age problems, sir. So I will try to give respect towards them and also try to know what are their grievances, so that they build respect towards me. And sir, these can be taken measures.
Okay, one of your subordinate female member basically has some kind of allegation that you have been sexually harassing her. What will you do?
Sir, I will order for a impartial inquiry, and I will support to that inquiry and see that all these allegations regarding me are false.
Now the husband of that woman is your batchmate.
Mhm. Sir, I will also first try to take him in confidence, and I will explain him my side. But after not, then I will go for sir the institutional measures for this.
One more situation is there. You visit the Gondia district of Maharashtra where there is a problem of Naxalism. You visit on the ground. In between, what happens is some of the villagers try to beat your soldiers. What course of action will you do? Either you will escape from them.
Sir, first of all, I will try to stop the beating of my soldiers. Then, sir, I will try to know the reason for that. So, why they are angry, sir? If it arises that it was our fault, then proper action can be taken against our members. But if arises that there were no fault, but then, sir, according to the some institutional acts and proper SOPs, sir, strict action can also be taken against the people. Sir, as obstructing the civic duties is also crime, I think, sir.
Why the Pandharpur is so famous?
Sir, it's famous for its Lord Vithoba temple.
Vithoba.
Yes,
Can
sir.
you tell me the brief history of Lord Vithoba?
Sorry, sir, I am unable to recall. But, sir, he is worshipped basically a god of Varkari sect. Then, sir, this Varkari movement, and sir, there is a peculiar Vari. Means those people who do Vari, they are called as Varkari. So, sir, sir, these different saints, like all these saints who have worshipped Vitthal, they during the Ashad Ekadashi carry the Vari, means carry the foot palanquins to the Lord Vithoba in
Last
Pandharpur.
question from my side. Tell me all the Central Armed Police Forces, their motto, their AR establishment with the Director General.
Sir, I will try it. Sir, Central Reserve Police Force, it was established in 1939. Sir, I am unable to remember its motto, sir. And sir, Sashastra Seema Bal was established in 1963. Sir, its motto is Service, Security and Brotherhood. A Central Industrial Security Force, which was established in 1965. Its motto is Protection and Security. And sir, Border Security Force was established, sir, in around, sir, 1962. And sir, its motto is Duty unto Death. Sir, I am unable to recall the DG, sir.
The last question you can ask from the board if you have any kind of doubt. Do you want to ask any question from the board?
No, sir. Sorry, it's over
You
from
can
us.
go. We'll call you.
Thank you, sir. Have a good day, all of you.